This is going to be an attempted repair of Stacy Kong. As you can see, there's a damaged shingle right here. Sealant tab broken. Surrounding shingles are fine. Hopefully the phone doesn't overheat. I'll try to find a good angle for it. That should be good. Okay. It. Still recording. Got the shingle out that's damaged. There's already some damage to the surrounding shingle. You can see right here and right there. Oh, a little bit up here too. I'll continue on with the repair and simulate as if I'm putting in a new shingle. I'm going to reuse that shingle. Make sure you can see. Gotta be careful not to lift the shingles too high.